Hello and good morning. Good morning, London. It's 9 o'clock and we are about to start our A-level accounting revision class. I can see students are joining in. Hello, Claire. Good morning. You're trying to join. Yeah, you have joined. Do you hear me, Claire? You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Welcome and good morning.
Thank you.
Well, there are a few more students. They're just going to join in.
Okay.
So let them join in and we will start. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit half a day, long day. You ready for that?
Yes, I am. I am.
Okay, brilliant. Let me join now. There's some more students. I just spoke with them on WhatsApp. So welcome to London Educators. You can see behind me, there's an accounting lecture. Let me share the screen quickly. This is our official YouTube channel, accounting lecture. There are more than 21,000 students and subscribers are there. Okay, I can see most students are trying to join. Shanja is trying to join in. Brilliant. I'm getting him on and is connecting to the audio. Hi, Shanja. Good morning. You can unmute and say good morning to me.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Do you hear me?
I can hear you clearly. Loudly.
Brilliant. Ready for the big day? Yeah. Long revision?
Of course, yes.
Okay, brilliant. So I was just talking about accounting lecture. We have been teaching not just AQA. AQA at the top, by the way. You can see AQA accounting. And OCR, Cambridge, Edexcel. Also chartered accounting like ACCA, CIMA, ECA, EW, and other courses, including masters and honors. This particular course is for AQ students. Shanta, did you let Oli know? Is he joining or not?
Yes. Messaged him. He might join.
You can mute yourself for a minute, call him and tell him to join in. Yeah, we're going to start 2 minutes maximum. Yeah, because students joined, which is brilliant. All right, so yeah, call him, please. Welcome to AQA AS level accounting day-long revision class. And we're going to cover so many topics. And students, they were interested not just from AQA, also from AAT students. These topics are very popular. This is basically financial accounting. And as a basic, we're going to start from the basic, absolutely scratch. But of course, your exams are just nearly there. There's less than a couple of weeks. The exams are coming. Next week is starting for AQA, Cambridge, Edexcel, OCR. So for accounting, this is a very popular topic, which we're going to cover. Starting with double entity accounts, but before that, a little bit of theory, why you need accounting and all, day books, books of prime entry, trial balance, cash book, bank reconciliation, control account, suspense account, accruals and prepayments of expense, which is basically adjustment, irrecoverable debt, depreciation, then financial statements. So you can see so many topics we're going to cover. And most of the work, yes, I will be doing, helping you, and you will be doing along with me. Just getting little confirmation. I already given you the course material. Thanks to Osborne Books, the publisher, a very popular publisher. This is the the funny one, Osborne Books by David Cox. So it's a brilliant materials they have provided. Also, there are past papers they have used in our materials. So we're going to use these things. My question to the students: did you print it out? The materials I already gave you. You can unmute and tell me. Yeah, Shanja.
Yes, sir. I do have the list.
Okay, Claire.
I've got it, but I haven't printed it out. I've got it on another screen.
Okay, we're going to share this screen anyway. Printing would have been helped, but we can go along. Don't worry. Shanja, how about Oli?
I texted Oli, sir, and he still didn't see the message. Hopefully, he's going to join us soon.
You should have called him. Anyway, we're going to start. We're just about to start. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes. You all the time you can unmute yourself I'm gonna ask you questions time to time, and you're gonna answer. So I expect that you are well prepared already. Even if it is not, this revision class will going to help you thorough preparation. The class structure, the lecture structure is going to be 40 minutes lesson. Already, like I can see, like 4 or 5 minutes gone. After 40 minutes lesson, we're going to have 10 minutes break. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes break. I'll let you know. Before going to the break, I'll let you know. Minutes
All right.
break. Yeah. Let's assume 10 minutes break. Yeah. So it's like 9:40, sorry. 9:40, we'll go for a break. And 9:50 will come back. Yeah. Then again, likewise. Yeah, because the Zoom 40 minutes utilization you're going to do. So we're going to cover all these topics. So people, are you ready to start? Rock and roll. Tell me. Unmute and tell me.
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, good spirit. I need your spirit throughout the lecture. Bang, bang. Whether you cannot or can do, don't worry about it. You're still learning it. You can mute yourself, yeah? Wherever unmuting needed, I will let you know. Other students, the local user, I didn't know the local user. Another student just joined. Okay. Trying to join in. And I don't know the name yet. Hi, local user. What is your name? Is that Oli? Shanja, can you confirm that Oli has joined? The new student you have joined, your Zoom name says local user. Do you hear me? Connecting to the audio, it says.
I don't think that's Oli.
Maybe other students. There's so many students. You have got this class link from maybe Facebook, maybe YouTube. We have different platforms. Yeah. But that the local student is a little struggling with the audio, I can see. If you can hear me, you can write me. Yeah. The local user. I don't know your name. You can disclose your name. There is a chatting option. I'm saying an hi to all of you. I hope you have received my hi. Did you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I can see the local user is little struggling. Yeah, you joined in. Welcome, local user. The new student you joined. What is your name, please? Can you please unmute yourself and tell us? Or you can write it down, your name, no problem. Claire, local user Shanja. Yep.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear. What's your name?
Tahib.
Shion?
No, Tahib.
Zahir.
Tahib. T-O-H.
Yeah. How do you spell your name? Let me write it down. Say it.
T-O-H.
T-O-H.
E-E.
E-E.
B.
D for Delta?
No, B. Bravo.
B. Bravo.
Yeah.
Tahib, very unusual name and nice name. Tahib, welcome on board. Okay. Okay, Tahib, you can mute yourself. And just asking you, did you print it out, the paper I gave, the material, course material? You can write. Yeah, always you can write. Okay. One more thing, because we're doing distance learning online, anytime there could be like a problem. Could be. We never had this type of problem. Yeah, Tahib, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't have anything to say.
Even if you didn't print it out, don't worry, we can share the screen. I will, you can print it out anytime during the break if you have the printer at home. Okay, you can mute yourself. So I was talking about this is a technology. The good things are that, look at this, we're from different parts of the United Kingdom. We're doing lesson, yeah, early in the morning. And myself, my name is Elias Rubel, I-L-I-A-S-R-U-B-E-L. I'm a qualified chartered accountant from ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. I've been teaching this qualification many, many years. I'm a head of accounting department in a sixth form college in North London, popularly known as Best Tutors. And I've been teaching AAT, Association of Accounting Technician, different colleges in the United Kingdom, also back in Bangladesh and different other countries. I'm also an MBA from Anglia Ruskin University, Cambridge and Chelmsford. There are campuses. Yeah. And you might have seen the videos already for my accounting lecture. You have seen I've been helping thousands of students. Well, yes, this lesson will be 40 minutes. Then we take a little break. Then we come back again, coffee break, again 40 minutes and likewise. So I saw the energy from the other students. Hope to Heave is also ready, and let's get going. And you don't need to open your camera. Don't worry. Yeah, my camera is open. Maybe sometimes I keep it closed. Let's get into the topics. I'm putting my camera off for the time being. If my voice goes down anytime, let me know. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me. You can go through the text option that Ilyas, I can't hear you. Yeah. Okay. Ready for the first question. These are exam style questions that comes in the exam very often. Your exam is 3 hours exam for the ACCA syllabus, and it's for 120 marks, 3 long hours for AS exams, which is coming soon. So the first one, I will be going over the questions, giving you the hints of the ideas. It would be expecting little answer from you. You can write into the chatting option. You can say over the microphone. Both way is welcome. Well, first question. Before going into the first question, just telling you, these are the chapters we're going to cover. What is financial accounting? Little bit of double entry, source of documents, business documents, then T accounts, trial balance, division of ledger like books of prime entry, cash book, bank reconciliation, income statement, balance sheet, then suspense account and errors, control account, and bit of adjustments. All of these we're going to cover. Good news is all of it, almost all of it, I have super duper videos on my YouTube channel, so you can take help all the time, anytime. If you go down, although the videos I started for you people, you know, AQ accounting, back in 2017 and 18, like 5 years ago, I started that incomplete record like A2 and all the videos you can see for AQA. Later on, the AAT students, they asked for many videos and I made, hopefully it's helping them. It's going to help you a lot as well. Yeah. So you can see the double entry videos, adjustments, everything. Let's not waste our time. Let's get into the topic. The first question. A.L. Porter has started a new business which is financed by 20,000 from his personal savings and a bank loan. So before I read the requirement, the question itself suggests the owner of the business starting a business from his own personal savings, putting into the business 20,000. Do you remember business is separate from the owner, isn't it? That is called separate entity concept. Yeah. And he got some loan. I'm not testing your double entry knowledge now. I'm going to test it later on. The question here, explain 2 reasons why AL should keep accounting records. Oh, I'm getting some answers already. Okay, why do they need accounting records? Why? Two reasons being asked. Can you please write it down? Or you can always unmute and tell me. Yeah. What is the channel name? Accounting lecture. Thank you. Yeah. Can you please write it down on your chatting option? Explain 2 reasons why you should keep accounting record. Let's assume this is 2 marks. Let's assume this is for 2 marks for reason 1 and reason 2 is 2 marks. So exam tips from me. Let me appear on the camera. From me, exam tips from your expert tutor. If you write 1 valid sentence, you get 1 mark. Another valid sentence, you get another mark. That's how you get your marks for your A-level accounting, yeah, or any other accounting exams, especially for A-level accounting. How can you get 2 marks? Anybody writing here? I can see, yeah, Claire says to balance the T accounts. Why not? This is an accepted answer. To prepare T accounts, in fact, or to balance the T accounts. Rather, I'll take more answers, please. Yeah, that's a good answer. More people. Can you? Why do you do accounting? Why do we keep accounting records? Yeah. More answer, let's see. Little brainstorming. Yeah, I'll give you the answer anyway, don't worry. I will take the answer straight away from the book first page of your book, first chapter, first page. This is the answer. To quantify items such as sales, expense, and profit, write it down. Let's write it down. To QUANTIFY items. Let me erase this bit. Yeah. To quantify items such as sales, expenses, thus profit. How many marks do you think you're going to get from this type of writing? I got some more answers from different students. So Shanja says business planning. Claire says is in case of inspection from. These are absolutely right answer. Yeah. Absolutely. But you need to develop how to write and get your couple of marks. Do you think that you can get a couple of marks here to quantify items such as sales, expense, and thus profit? No, actually, maybe 1 mark. If 1 mark is good enough. Like, so we can, one of you said to prepare the T accounts or trial balance. We can prepare T accounts or trial balance, no problem, or FS, financial statement. So you get a couple of marks. Yeah, that's that. However, some of you said business planning, isn't it? Let me see in case of inspection. Yeah, keeping a good business record. Why we keep business record? People can come from HMRC or somewhere else. Business planning, yeah, forecast budgeting, yeah. To make forecast. So we can do business plan or decision. We can do business plan. Yeah, no problem. From your answer, I'm giving answer. I'm going to reveal the mark scheme answers as well. Business plan and sustaining the long run and in the long run. So these will give you 3 marks to make forecast, business forecast, accounting forecast. You see, like cash flow statement, cash flow forecast even. Yeah. So we can do business plan. We need to plan our business to sustain in the long run. Sustain in the long. That's how you do. Nice and good. Yep. All right. What are you going to do? We definitely, I will show you the mark scheme. Next one is stakeholder, a popular question. Give me 2. There are 2 types of stakeholders. Yeah. One is internal. Another one is external. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay, identify 3 external stakeholders, else business state the interest they will have. Come on, give me a quick answer. Valentina is trying to join. Valentina, you are late. let her join in. Okay. So can I get the answers? Yeah, in your, yep. Hey, 3 externals. What are the internal stakeholders? They're working inside the business. Owner, shareholders, even the employees, they're internal stakeholders. And who are the outsider stakeholders? Quickly give me the name. Yeah, already I can see a name. Claire already given in the last answer, which I can bring it in here. And that is called, yeah, don't be shy, write it down. Yeah, what are the examples? There are so many good examples. Yeah, getting the example. External for, yeah, bank. Tohib says bank. I'm taking your answer straight away. Bank. Yeah, someone already said in the last answer that, what do you call it? HMRC. Yeah, I'm taking your answer. HMRC, Claire. And is there more? There are more. Think about so many things. So the government itself, the HMRC, the bank, even the customers are outsiders, isn't it? Local community. What is a stakeholder? A stakeholder, they can affect your business or they get affected by your business. Yeah. I repeat, they have the power of influence. This video is recorded. I will send you the links of this video. You can watch it later on for your purposes. Yeah. So I'm writing customer. Okay. Customer. Everybody, please participate. Don't worry about getting right or wrong. Yeah, I will make it right anyway after that. Okay. So what are their interests? What is the biggest interest of a bank? What is a bank interested in your business? Like you opened a business. AL has started a business with some money and they have taken some loan from the bank, isn't it? The bank is interested whether you can repay the loan and interest. Make sense? Oh. Okay, someone emailed me regarding the Zoom link and all, but maybe struggling joining in. What is saying? Zoom for accounting division. I wanted to ask, how do I join in? Can't help you now. Maybe in the break time, I will reply him. Yeah, you can watch this recorded video. Okay, loan and interest. People participate. Yeah, what is their interest in it? This is called brainstorming. You're thinking, we're thinking, and making an answer. Yeah, I will give you all the answer anyway. Don't worry. Yeah, that is their interest. Bank. HMRC, what is their interest? Is the business paying the VAT on time or not? Are they, yeah, VAT on time or not? Then tax registered or not? There's this threshold. Remember AQA syllabus, you don't need to be bothered about VAT or not. Yeah. it is out of the scope. AT and other, you have the VAT. Yeah. So tax related. Did you submit the tax on time? Did you pay your VAT on time? That's the interest. If it is not, they will pay impose what do you call it? Fine. Yeah, fine means like it's not imprisonment, like monetary fines. Yeah. Customer, what is the interest? Come on, think about it. In the financial statements on your business, in your business accounting reports, what they want to know. Are you going to provide quality products at a cheaper price? Yeah, that's good answer. Quality products, cheaper price. These will bring you 2 marks. Yeah, good products, like good education. We London educators providing good education at a reasonable price. Wow, that was our question number 1. Let's see the answers. Here we go. So many good answers are there. I'm taking the pen, maybe a green color pen. Yeah, you can talk about this, quantify the sales. Yeah, receivables and payables. You can reduce the risk of fraud. You know, the first one, we had a discussion regarding like what are the, why do we keep accounting reports? To reduce the risk of fraud. Yeah. To production of financial statements like trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, and all. We already said it. Forecast, we said it. Monitor the performance, like business plan. Yeah. Are they doing good or bad? And to provide information to the owners, stakeholders, other stakeholders. And types of stakeholders are there: bank, supplier, customer, employees. Employees, I would rather keep them as an internal. Yeah. Don't take all the answers. Yeah. Some of the answers you learn from us, not everything from the book. Excuse me. Okay. Trade unions. They're the outsiders. They monitor the like employee unions. Tax authorities. This is HMRC basically. Yeah. Local community. How can a local community get affected by your business? Like good or bad way? Let's assume we have a tuition center, big tuition center like Best Tutors in London. Best Tutors, North London, thousands of students, they study there. So it's good for the local community. They're getting good education, don't they? But also the kids, they make noise. They eat chicken and chips and throw here and there is a problem. So this is how local community getting affected by our business, our competitors, investors, and potential investors. Nice and good. Are we going good? You're getting the grip, yeah? I hope you're enjoying. You can get all the information from this website. Okay, let's go into the next question. Would be expecting a bit of answer from you. I'll be giving you the answer. This time we'll be talking about source of documents and a little bit of double entry. Yeah, ready for that? Source of document, chapter number 4 of your ACCA book, source of document. Before I start the chapter, what are the source of documents are there? Invoice, right? Can you please write me? Invoice, then credit note. Then what else? Bank statement. Yeah, let me see some answers I get it. Day books, no, Claire, don't take as a source of document. Day books is a books of prime entry. Source of document. What is the source of? Let me take you into the first chapter again. This, here we go. Like source of documents is the first step where we record the entry. If you're selling it, write in the invoice. You're buying it, write in the invoice. An invoice issued by the seller, please write it down. Invoice issued by the seller. So if he's issuing, we are receiving it. It's we are purchasing. They are selling it, isn't it? Yeah. If we are receiving it, we are purchasing. If we are issuing it, we are selling it. Please do remember. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Invoice, credit note, then bank statement. Yeah, bank statement. What do you mean by again? Source of document where you record the initial transaction. Source. Like invoice, you're returning goods, credit note, and receipt, still bank, paying in slip, counterfoil, check counterfoil. Yeah, when you give someone check counterfoil, paying in slip, counterfoil, and bank statement. So these are the sources of documents. Do remember. And yeah, day books are there. How many day books are there? 6, 7 day books are there, isn't it? Like credit sales, where do you record it? Sales day book, don't you? We'll call it, these days we call it journal, sales journal, credit sales. Do remember. Credit purchases, purchase journal, purchase day book, or books of prime entry, sales return, purchase return, general journal. What do you record in it? Coming back to the general journal, cash book, you record cash and bank item. Please do remember cash and bank items. Sales and purchase journals, credit sales and purchase. Do remember sales return, purchase return. General journal, unusual items like errors, suspense account. Yep. irrecoverable debt, unusual items. Yeah, we'll come back to the nominal and general ledgers later on. Okay, if that is the general knowledge. Now we are going into the questions. Reading the question for you people, think about the answers. I will help you. Reading the requirement. It's also good to read the requirements before you read the scenario. What is the requirement? They're talking about identify the sources of documents used by Al-Kharia. Al-Kharia is the owner. It's his business. We're the accountants of Al-Kharia. Record each of the above transactions. So we have 1 to 3 transactions are there. We need to think what are the source of documents. So these are the source of documents. One of these would be the answer. The answer could be, let me take you to the source of the answer could be invoice, sales or purchase, or could be credit note if it's a sales return or purchase return. Again, credit note issued by the seller. Invoice issued by the seller. That's how you will understand. Is it purchase credit note or sales credit note? Paying in slip. Let's talk about it. When you deposit money into the bank, when you put money into the bank, then you give some information like your bank details, sort code, account number, branch name. That is called paying in slip. A little part belongs to you. That is called counterfoil, and kind of page you give it to the manager or the cashier. Paying in slip. Yeah, when you put money into the bank, please do remember. You can write it down. Paying in slip means deposit money. Write it down. Deposit into the bank. Into bank means you keep money into the bank. And check counterfoil means you have given a check to someone. You means your business, Al-Kharia's business, or your business, our business. What's gonna happen to our money? Gonna up or down? Yeah, down. Money gonna go down. So money out. Money out from the bank. These are both of these happening in the bank. Deposit in the bank, out from the bank. Do remember. So if this is the knowledge, let's read the requirement. They're talking about Al-Kharia sold goods to Sam Brass. So Al-Kharia selling it. What would be the source of document? Write it down quickly. Is it invoice? Is it credit note? Is it bank statement? Is it what it is? Selling or purchasing? Brilliant. Tohib is invoice, and you said sales invoice is right. On a safe side, invoice is still a right answer, but this is clearly sales invoice. Brilliant. Now, another Sam Brass, is here receivable or payables for Al-Kharia? These are credit sales, remember, yeah? If they didn't say anything, it's a credit sales. Sam Brass, so for example, I'm Al-Kharia, I'm the owner, I'm selling on credit to Sam Brass. Who is Sam Brass for my business? Receivables or payables? Quickly answer me. This is a trade. Come on. Receivables. We're selling. He's my receivable. He'll pay me. Yeah, do remember. Now, Sam Brass returned goods. Would you agree this is a sales return? I'm still not asking you the double entry. What would be the source of document? Quickly write me and think about it. Out of this many, whether it's a sales return or purchase return. Yeah. Tohib, Claire, Shanja, you write as well. Yeah. Write it down. Do you have any other option rather than credit note? No. Credit note is the right answer. Yeah. It is a sales credit note, but credit note will give you the answer. Next one. Sam Brass sent a check after deducting some discount to Al-Kharia, clear the balance owing. Oh, hold on. They said some balances at the 1st of, we should read this one. 1st of May, business owed Al-Kharia. 745. Yeah. Sam Brass owed, sorry. Sam Brass owed. Sam Brass will supposed to pay Al-Kharia is asked to us 745 at the beginning of the month. This is balance BD of your trade receivables. So they're paying it now, but are they paying full amount? 745. They're not. They're paying some of it. Yeah, we are allowing discount. I'll come back to over there, but they send us a check. We receive the check. Upon receiving the check, what do we do? Do we just put into the drawer? We don't do anything. What do you do? If you receive a check, you go to the, write it down or say it. You can unmute and say, you go to the bank. Yeah, brilliant. Shanja, bank. Claire, then deposit. You're giving me a good answer. We go to the bank, we deposit it. So what is the source of document? What did I say here? What is the source of document you think? What did I write here? Tell me. There is something you have learned. Ooh, be careful. This is paying in slip counterfoil, not a check counterfoil. It's money in. received a check, it's money in, whether cash money or check money, we're putting into the bank. Yeah. Those of you said paying in slip counterflow is right. And those of you who didn't say it, don't worry, you're learning it, isn't it? It's paying in slip counterfoil. Paying in slip. So you got 1 to 3 marks, boom, boom, moving into the accounts. There we go, people. Complete the account of Sam Brass, books of Alcaria. Alcaria is the owner. We are the account of Alcaria. Sam Brass was a trade receivable, wasn't he? Yeah, we have 10 minutes. Don't worry. So just before going to the break, we might take five minutes break. Yeah. Or even maybe not, maybe later. Trade receivables. We must record this 1, 2, 3 and 1 at the beginning. Yeah. I'm doing it for you. You can write it to me. You can write it to me. Yeah. So balance BD. Do you agree? Balance BD. We write here, which is 745. First of the month, which is May. 1st of May. Do you agree? Trade receivables is debit account. So you write on the debit side, plus on the debit side, minus on the credit. It goes down, you write on the credit side. So sold goods on credit. Sales account credit, receivables debit, isn't it? This time Sam Brass debit. Do you agree? Yeah. So how much was that figure? 275. 275. You write sales in the detail and write that the bank, where is that? 7 May. 7 May. So our this one is done. Sales return. Do you agree that sales return account is a debit account? Sales return debit, receivables credit, isn't it? So in your receivables account 84, you write the opposite accounts name, sales return. 16 May I saw it. Double check 84. This is done. This one, how do you do it? We're getting money, isn't it? So bank debit, receivables credit. Do you agree? But how much money we got it? Tell me. Taking my calculator on screen. I hope you can see my calculator. Yeah. So we, at the beginning of the month, how much is going? 745, isn't it? 745. Minus 18 pound was discount. How much money we received? 727. Do you agree? 727. If you meant to do a bank account, your bank debit 727, receivables credit 727. So you write here bank. Yeah. When did it happen? 24 May. 24 May. Now that's one thing. But how about the discount? Is this discount allowed to receive for Alcaria? Alcaria is giving discount to Sam Brass, isn't it? So this is a discount. What? Come on, quickly tell me. Discount what? Discount? Yeah, write it down. Allowed. Lovely. Discount allowed is debit. Do you agree? Discount allowed account is debit. 18. Receivables credit 18. You write discount allowed. Yeah, 24. Then you do the balance CDBD. I hope everybody knows how to do balance CDBD. You need to check which side is bigger. Yeah. So I believe this side is bigger. Write it down the total and write down the total here. Take all the items. You will be left with the balance CD. If you add these two, I have the add up answers here. You take away, remaining is 191. Balance CD becomes balance BD on the opposite side. 191. Balance BD. What is the date for balance CD? Tell me. 30th of January, February, March, April, May. May is 31. Yeah, 31 May. And what is the balance BD? 1st of June. Yep, number 2 done. Let's check the answer quickly. Here we go. Sales invoice, credit note, and paying in slip counterfoil. Boom, boom. Answer is done. And there you go. First one, we taken this. Second one, we taken this. Third entry was this. Fourth and fifth. Fourth, basically, these two together, fourth, isn't it? Discount. They didn't do the opposite entry. I did a little bit of bank, little bit of discount allowed. Then added up together. Write it down here. Take care. Balance CD. Adding up, you can say fifth. And CDBD is 6-1. So 6 system. Happy? Let's move to the next one. I'll give you some of the items as a homework. Little bit of source of document and debit credit. You got to give me the answer. Haley Otis. Haley Otis is the owner. I'll give you a homework a little bit right now. In fact, before going into the break, I'll give you one more. Haley Otis runs a clothes shop. 2 of her recent business transaction. Only 1 and 2 items. Question asking you what would be the source of document? What is debit account and credit account? There could be 6 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big marks, isn't it? Let's not waste these marks and try to grab it. Payment. They didn't say made, but we paid wages by check. Who are we? We are Haley. We're the accountant of Haley. You always think from your business behalf, business entity concept, separate entity concept. Okay. What do you think is the source of document first? Payment wages by check. Okay, I got one answer from bank statement. Think more. What are the items basically there? Yeah. Okay, Claire just changed her answer from bank statement to check counterfoil. That is the right answer. Check counterfoil. Check counterfoil. We have given a check. The little bot belongs to us. Is our source of document. Like it gives us a reminder. The transaction taken place. Makes sense, people. Okay. What is debit and credit from your business point of view? The expense is debit and the bank going down is credit, isn't it? Wages, debit, bank, credit. Happy with that? Bank or cash book. Second one, give it the answer. Return of goods to a supplier. So what type of return? We're returning to a supplier. Then we must have bought from them, isn't it? So what is the source of documents? No, it is a purchase return, but what is the source of document? The concept, the general answer is, yeah, it's a purchase return, but the source of documents, yeah, credit note, no problem. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Shanja. Thank you, Toheb. Credit note. Yeah. What would be the debit credit? Purchase return. Please do remember, if purchases are debit, you have learned debt click, did you not? DEADCLIC for your double entry. Did you learn pearls? Did you not learn pearls? For PERLS, please watch my video on pearls on my YouTube channel. You will get more understanding on double entry. Yeah. So purchase debit, purchase return is credit. So PR, I'm writing purchase return credit, and you receive payables, liability going down. Payables is a liability account. If it goes down, it becomes debit. So liability, trade payables account, debit. That's how you do. Okay, we have only 3 minutes before going into the break. I want you to do only this one. I'll give you 5 minutes break. Is that okay? I'll check this answer a little bit. There you go. Look at this check counterfoil, wages debit, bank credit, or cash book. And credit note, you can say purchase credit note, you could say just credit note. You'll get the marks. Trade payables, debit and purchase return. Now that's that. Okay, let's do this one. I'm not giving you this as a homework. Let's do it together. Following transactions took place between Haley and Fashion Frog. Haley is asked, remember, with Fashion Frog, a credit supplier. If it's a credit supplier, we are buying or selling. Tell me, we are buying. Supplier, it's a trade payables. Do you remember trade payables? So write it down here. On your exam book, write it down like this, like trade payables, identify it. Trade payables is a liability account, isn't it? If you want to up it, if you want to increase the T account, you write on the credit side, don't you? This is a credit account. If you want to minus it, make it down on the debit. This is a T account, do you remember? Yeah, shown on a Excel format. So quickly going, balance BD of your T account for a trade payables. Which side you record it? Like we are liable to Fashion Frog. Which side do you write on the debit or credit? Come on, liability. Come on, quicker. Balance BD, DRCR. Come on. Balance BD, yes, CR. Thank you. Okay, 1275. We have written it. Boom, 1 mark into the pocket. Goods bought on credit by Haley. We are more liable. Purchase debit, trade payables, credit, isn't it? So this is a payables account. We're writing on the credit side. 950. Number 2 done. Number 3, Haley just makes the bank transfer to Fashion Frog. Now we are paying our bank going down. If we meant to do a bank account, bank going down about 1205. Oh, you got a discount. We will talk about it. Bank credit, Fashion Frog debit, isn't it? 1205. You write the opposite account of bank. Is it difficult, people? You can ask me, yeah? If you do not understand, we can put the dates here. 12 is there, 8 is here, 1st is there, yeah? That's one thing. This discount received, straight away they're telling you it's a discount received. So discount received account credit and Fashion Frog debit, or payables account debit. They're going down. Discount received. Yes, same date. 12. June. Heliotis return good. Is it a sales return or purchase return? Quickly answer me. Write it down. Faster. Sir? Come on. Yes, purchase return, isn't it? We purchase it. Yeah, purchase return. So purchase return account is a credit account. 150. Purchase return credit. Payables debit. Means Fashion Frog debit. With that, PR purchase return date 18. Okay, still have a minute. So, and goods bought by credit. So he's a purchase 650. That's it. Then you can do balance sheet DVD. Nice and easy. Would you like the break now? We continue another 40 minutes. Let's continue another 40 minutes. Let me call you back. Yeah. Okay. Then let's get the poll. Do you want to continue a little break? What do you say? Let's see. Continue a break. Let's take a break. 10 minutes break. Yeah. 10 minutes break.